Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you the universal garage door opener fuse location. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. This fuse will be located in a small fuse box just next to the passenger's left leg. Now to access it, you want to pull this cover towards yourself. That way you will get access to all of the fuses, and on the back side of that cover you will have a small fuse diagram. Garage door opener fuse is fuse number 19, which is located right here. So in case your garage door opener stopped working, most likely you are dealing with a burnt fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.